Welcome to YorkZucchi.com Insights. I wanted to share something with you. You know, I work with a lot of young people and startups, innovator, brilliant individuals who are starting a business, and they spend enormous amounts of time on their innovation, on their business idea, on fine-tuning their product and their service, thinking it's going to change the world. But here's a slap of reality to you. If you don't spend 60% of your time on lead generation, on filling that pipeline, even if your product isn't ready, by the time your product or service launches, you want to have a list of 20, 50, 500, doesn't matter the number, people who say, you know what, I'm actually interested in that. Guys, girls, without clients, you don't have a business. You have a hobby. You may have heard this cliche before, but it is true. There is nothing more important than for you to get commercial traction. Luckily, in this day and age, we live in a time when lead generation is almost available for free. It just takes a little bit effort. I even did a course which I launched recently about that, on how to generate leads. But whether you do the course or not, the point here is spend, as a rule of thumb, 60% of your time building those networks, those leads, those interest funnels, so that the day you launch your product or service, you have people who are ready to buy into it. Thank you for watching.